Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure your phone is updated and physically able to vibrate. Low battery modes can suppress haptics. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Sounds and Vibration. You want to reach the panel that controls device feedback because this is the only place Samsung exposes the global haptic controls. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off so you can test, then tap Sounds and Vibration to access vibration intensity and system haptics options. Now you enable the actual feedback sources. First, adjust vibration intensity. Increase the level for incoming calls and touch interactions so you feel each event. Next, enable the system haptics or system sounds and vibration toggle. This turns on touch feedback across UI elements. Once that's done, open your keyboard settings, Gboard or Samsung keyboard, and turn on haptic feedback on keypress so typing produces taps. These combined steps cover system and app-level haptics for consistent feedback. Finish by testing. Use the vibration intensity preview and type in a note to confirm keyboard haptics. If you don't feel anything, restart the phone and test again because temporary software hangs can block the motor. If issues persist, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps, then clear system cache. Make sure vibration motor isn't physically blocked. One key troubleshooting tip: if vibration works for calls but not UI, check that system haptics and keyboard haptics are both enabled. If not, toggle them off and on to force the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.